Kitten, stop trying to eat my
Good
notebook.
morning, everybody. It is Sunday, June 18th. I think this is day 17 total, but this is my second day back on the trail. I'm going down Mentor Avenue right now. Parked my car at the inn. Just called and asked them if I could. Since they're closed, they said it was not a problem at all. Just to park way back down by the dumpsters, which was a quarter of a block away from where I left off last night. I want to say thank you very much to my trail angel who came and picked me up. She drove 45 minutes to come get me and take me like 12 miles to get my car. It was so kind of her. I did not mind waiting at all or anything for her. I'm definitely still in need of help. See, Tuesday through Tuesday, the entire week. But it's about 9:30 in the morning, 9:24. It is already really, really nice out. It's got to be in the mid-60s already. It's going to be an absolutely lovely day. I'm packed full of ice and frozen water, which will be just icy cold by the time I need to use it. I went on online last night and called a bunch of campgrounds, and everything was booked. Of course, it was Saturday night on the weekend, the day before Father's Day, so of course everything's booked up. So tonight I am just going to, later today, in a little bit, I'm just going to call, I believe it's Penitentiary Glen is the closest one. There's another Orchard something, I want to think, campsite. Let me flip this around so you guys aren't just staring at me. There's another one too. Two of them down there. A little bit lower on the trail on the west side of the little loop. They're free to Buckeye trail hikers. You can only stay 48 hours maximum. And online, if I was to book it online, it'd cost me $25. So I'm assuming you would just call, but they're closed. Of course, they're only open Monday through Friday. So I'm just going to call and leave a message, let them know that I'm staying there. I'm going to stay at the first one 2 nights, the second one for 2 nights. And I believe that'll get me to Thursday night. Yeah, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night. Yep, Thursday night. And then I'll go from there. Maybe I'll get a cheap $50 motel room or something. Since I'm camping free for 4 nights, like I got last night, I got a room for $63 at the Mentor Motor Inn. It's not, I wouldn't even say it's a 1-star hotel. My socks are filthy right now from the floor. I can't imagine what happened there for it to have hardwood floors in all the rooms. That's the first time I'd ever seen that. But the rooms weren't bad, it just wasn't clean. Nobody ever mopped the floor. Nobody swept the floor. There was somebody else's fingernail on the floor and fingernail clipping and their long black hair, and their hair was in the shower. And so I completely ruined the 2 washcloths that was in the room cleaning the floor. I just got them wet with hot water and had my shoes on and just scuffed them across the floor all over the place, and they were black. It was bad, but I mean, it was a $63 room. If I had gone there to get the room at the window, it would have been $115. I would have freaked out. The heater didn't blow hot air. What else? It smelled like a jar of dill pickles exploded in the room. Trying to think, the mattress was really old. There's something else. So the outlets, they were all really, really loose. Like you'd plug the thing in and then it would droop and wouldn't want to stay in the outlet. The door didn't want to close all the way. You had to slam it real hard to get it to close. But this is the type of place it is. You can get a smoking room. That's the kind of place it was. But it was the only one that was the right price on Saturday night. And I found out that the later in the day that you wait to book the room, and always change the occupancy to 1 person, it'll drop it a couple bucks. But the later you wait in the day, the cheaper it's going to be. You do run the risk of them, a place not having a room because you waited too long and they got all booked up. But in a place like that, outside of Mentor, no, it's not going to get booked full. I believe that's like the place that DSS, the Department of Social Services, uses to put people up temporarily when they're homeless and stuff. That is actually a situation I ran into once, and I had the worst motel room in the history of motel rooms. And then when I complained about the heat, like 4 days into my stay, they moved me into another. No, it wasn't the heat, it was the mattress. It was so old and the springs were so sticking out of it that I had bruises all up my back, all over my back from the springs and the mattress. So they moved me in the room right next to mine. Brand new pillow top, gorgeous room. Heat worked. It was just the room was 10 times better. But anyways, enough about me. We are going all the way up to Headlands Beach today. So I'm not sure if there's going to be any off-road miles at all, but anytime I see anything cool, I'm going to let you guys know. It's just lots of nice houses. I went by the projects yesterday, which I was shocked. Because it's one of the first times, other than the one little section on the towpath where there were what I would call normal houses. That one's cool. I like that style. Always have. Oh, I smell reefer. Like strong. Or a skunk got hit. No. That's reefer. That's reefer. Oh well. Get further off the road. I gotta get over on the other side of the road. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. This is something I had not expected. There to be a quarry up here near Headlands Beach. That's kind of interesting. I just had to show you guys this. But there's a whole bunch of water and boats. There's like a harbor over here. Can't really see my phone. It's so bright outside right now. I've got all the power saving options turned up, and then it goes all the way down to the, looks like a sand quarry or something. I don't know, maybe they're taking sand and moving it to the beaches that they're creating or something. I have no idea. I don't know. Maybe I'll find out. But I'm still on, this is Jackson Street? No, I can't remember what road I'm on. I don't think it's Newell Street anymore. I haven't seen a road sign in a while, but there are blazes. So I will talk to you guys later. That's what we're on, is River Street. It's a pretty street. It's windy and curvy and up and down. And ooh, there's like a memorial rock or something up here. Let me go check this out real quick. Let me pause this and turn it back on when I'm up there so we can read it. Here we go. The Commercial Fishing Memorial. This is pretty cool looking. And then there's a bench and a buggy here. Oh, there's a bunch of geese down there. Those ducks. I can't tell. They're probably geese. Coastal Ohio Trail. But I'm thinking about cowboy camping on the beach tonight. No joke. That's what I'm thinking about right now. We'll see what the weather says for the beach. This is all just cute. There's no, yeah, there is a railroad right there. There's a rail. This is just cute. And then we turned down. I was just thinking, and I'm pretty sure back there I said we turned right on Olive Street, and we very clearly were turning left. So I just wanted to correct myself. I say right a lot because I'm right-handed, so sometimes I mean my other right. which is my left. So I got Grumpy Cat. Wanted a better view since I got my water shoes in the pack. He couldn't see anything and he was complaining last night. So I told him I'd stick him back up in the top hatch, and he said that was cool. My lovely scented Grumpy. Grumpy was packed in storage in a box for a couple of years and just happened to be randomly in the living room box that had a Bath and Body Works plug-in in it, and nobody unscrewed the plug-in thing from it. I'm surprised he's not completely purple, because the liquid was purple, but Grumpy will forever smell amazing. When I was at Headwaters Park, when a group of ladies was riding by on horses, they could smell him. I was like, what? They said I smelled like berries. I'm like, that's Grumpy Cat. Grumpy Cat will forever have an amazing smell. But okay, so we're coming up to here. Let's find out where we go. One too far. So you're not supposed to get up here at the top and see any of this. I climbed that hill for no reason. I'm supposed to turn. Now I'm going to be turning left onto William Street, but would have been turning right onto William Street where the guy on the bike turned. But I don't know. I was just hiking. I didn't see any blazes. I'm going to look when I get down there, though. Okay, so yeah, that's... Okay, so I see him over there. That one is kind of facing the wrong way, but it's actually for this direction. So I just wasn't looking. There was a couple cars coming right there, and I just wasn't paying attention. That's a nice boat. Okay. On towards the water. We're in Headlands Beach. Coming up through the parking area. The birds are so loud. Sorry, I'm eating cream cheese and chives crackers. One of my salty snacks. These trees are gorgeous. It says on the signs out front that it's only open during daylight hours, but it says on fire there's camping, so I have to find the office and ask about camping. So I'm not sure I'll get away with leaving my car up here because they got them big gates they close. I don't know. We shall see. Okay. There is a ton of people here. Of course, it's Father's Day, so this is going to be difficult to video without getting people. Those guys are way up there, though. But this is awesome! Oh. Zoom out a bit. I'm loving it. Going Welcome to the beach. I think this is only the second time I've ever been to the beach in my entire life. I'm trying to not get all the people on video. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, yep, taking these off. Nope, not doing that. This is epic. Well, I called, and there will be no camping here. There's no camping at Headlands. It's at Geneva, about 45 minutes away. It's run by the same offices, though. This water's got to be freezing cold. Oh, it's filthy. There's tons of stuff in it. Wow. That is awful. There's some really beautiful rocks here. Oh, it's coming in. That sound is just amazing. Somebody told me there's a lot of river glass on the beach here that's collectible. It's got a sister-in-law with a big jar of it, so I'm looking for a couple pieces to take home to my daughters. There's some really gorgeous rocks. But okay. Oh yeah, my tail angel should be here pretty soon. Gonna meet her, and then I'm gonna continue on. Oh, it's amazing sounding. I found a tiny piece. I'm gonna search for river glass. Here's something I haven't done since I was a kid, and I just had a really good one too. I don't know if the camera caught that. Ooh, this is a nice triangle-shaped rock. Ooh, shit, that didn't work. That flew off funny. Oh. Look at that. I don't know, you can see the sparkles in it. My daughter will love that one. I'm not finding much glass, though. I don't know, just one little green piece. Just came to here. We're supposed to take a right, or left, I mean. Yeah, my other right. My left. But this is private property. Oh, there's rocks. Oh, that's cool. It's like beach houses down here. It's nice. It's an amazing view. It's really amazing. And we're gonna walk along the edge of the shore for a while, I believe. Down this road. There's all these little flies everywhere. Yeah, the camera's picking them up. They're awful. They just land on you. It's very strange. All they do is land on you. But All we got is a view through the trees, pretty much. But these are all the beachfront houses. It's a very nice street, beautiful, beautiful street. But yeah, bunch of road miles. Carla came and met me at Headlands. And we walked together about 4 miles down the way I'm coming through Zimmerman. Beautiful, beautiful walk through Zimmerman. Absolutely loved it. And she turned around, is heading back. She's gonna read on the beach for a while. And I'm gonna message her when I'm about a mile away from my endpoint, which is supposed to be Bedford section 28, but it's still about almost 6 miles off, I would say. And I'm trying to think how many miles in I am. I'm about 8 miles in right now. Doing a total of 14 today. That's supposed to be quieter than that. Last time it said it 3 times. I don't know. But I did turn the volume down. See? Yeah. Hi. It's not really doing justice on camera. It's not picking up the blue. It's a very bright blue water. I couldn't believe the amount of black flecks in it, though. It was pretty crazy. But this is just beautiful walking like this. I'm loving it. Headlands Trail? Headlands Nature Trail? Something. I don't know. It's lovely. It is hot. Tons of it is just in the blasting sun. And there's so many of these little bugs. I'm not sure what they are. If anybody knows, let me know. They almost look like a mayfly, but they're striped. Oh, look at the huge wild strawberries. Look at them. So many. Oh, nice. So there is another spot to get down here. I could possibly cowboy camp on the beach tonight. I really possibly could. I might be able to get away with it, and I think I'm gonna try. Hopefully there's a parking area up here at the end of this, and if there is, I'm just gonna pack up the pack and carry down the my bedding and stuff, and that's about it. But there's a bunch of people coming. This seems to be a very popular trail, and I have some rye bread to eat, and I'm listening to my tunes. If I get to sleep on the beach tonight, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I am excited right now. So I am at the Mentor Lagoons and Marina, and I just walked over and asked a couple of the girls if it was okay if I camped here tonight. Told them that I was just gonna, probably cowboy camp right on the water, the shore here, and listen to the water all night. And they said it shouldn't be a problem at all. So that is awesome. I can legally cowboy camp on the beach. The governor's place? Oh, it's just a subdivision. It isn't actually like a house. That's a cul-de-sac down there. Okay. It just got my attention. I was curious. I gotta get off this before I fall over. I don't know what mile I'm on. There's probably just under 3 miles left to go in a 14-mile day, so I'm a little bit over 11. There's something wrong with the Garmin. It's not tracking me unless I have like the workout mode on, so I gotta figure that out. It might just be because I have one of those special faces for it, the watch face, you know what I mean? You can download them from the Connect IQ or whatever. So I got to tinker with that tonight. I'm so excited to sleep right by the water. Oh, it's going to be amazing. It is going to be so amazing. I'm going to find a great spot. But I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I think I can just turn the street lights off. That's really freaking weird. I've never seen anything like that before. Whatever. Okay, crossing the street. I'm on the bike trail, the section that goes through the woods, and there's a lovely creek here. Back out a little bit. So with some rushing water on this side. Oh, there's a trail that goes into the woods there. Nice. So I'm about 2 miles away from endpoint today. I'm gonna stop at, there's a little cemetery, or no, there's a school. It's a school, the middle school. It's right by where the Buckeye goes over top of 20, I would believe. Yeah, over top of 20. Bedford section point 28, I believe, is what it is. It's right there where I'm stopping, and then I can probably, I think I have my ride in the morning, so I'll be parking at my endpoint tomorrow. I gotta check that out. Okay, well, I will talk to you guys in a little while, maybe. I don't know. It'll be a 14-mile day. First time I've done 14 in a while, but my God, I don't know. I'd say this is probably 25 pounds when it's completely full of the water and the ice. There's some things that I'm going to take out of it, lighten it up a little bit, because I added some things this morning, like tick tweezers and the Band-Aids and my long pants. You know, just a couple other things. But in this Father's Day, I want to say Happy Father's Day to my dad. I called him this morning, wished him a Happy Father's Day. Love my daddy and my mom. I usually always text my mom for Mother's Day. I'm positive I did this year. But I will talk to you later. Bye. So I've come to this area here. Danger, keep off rocks, of course. There's the water leakage on this side. Hold the camera up above the weeds, as tall as I am. So let's see what's up here. That's cool. Find a good path up and hope for no snakes. Oh, sweet. But there's nowhere to stay up here. No sand. They're like railroad rocks. They really suck to walk on. Especially after doing 14 miles, but it's almost like massaging my feet in a painful sort of way. But I do want to sleep somewhere with water and wave noises. Okay, I'm gonna hop down on the trail and head down over this way and see what's going on down there at that pier. They're so cute. They're so cute. I found a great little spot tucked in down this little trail off to the left there. It's a rocky ground. There's not really a grassy area. So I might right past where this car is parked. You're kind of right on the water there. Sorry, my water bottle's making a bunch of noise. It seems like it'll get sunny in the morning. Right here. Maybe not. That's going to block everything. I don't know. But right here. Right here. Yep, there's some wave lapping sounds. I was talking to the one guy over there for a little bit. Oh, there's a tire and a buoy. But this will be nice. That's as close as I'm going to get to wave lapping sounds. So that's probably where I'm going to camp tonight. Hopefully. There's feathers and goose poop everywhere. Jesus. I'll have to find a clean spot. But okay. We go back to the car to get stuff. Just a little busy right now. It's 8 o'clock, so everybody's leaving. That's kayaking and canoeing, and these guys are cool. Why is that one being a jackass to the rest? That one's a dick. I think that was a heron, that tall bird that was down there. They got the photo of. But yeah, these people are annoying. Nope. He made a when he came in. He saw me. Maybe something else. He makes almost no ripples when he walks. Check it out.
Absolutely stunning.
What's that?
That's absolutely stunning.
Right? That's amazing. He's staring right at us. Barely makes ripples in the water. Is that a blue heron? Or a crane?
It's gotta be a blue heron.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I don't think they have cranes around here.
Of the trees in the water.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous.